Kenya's commercial real estate sector is growing faster than ever before. Across Nairobi, Mombasa, Kisumu, Nakuru, Eldoret, Thika, and many other urban areas, new office buildings, shopping malls, apartment blocks, warehouses, hospitals, hotels, and mixed-use developments are changing the skyline. Every new building creates opportunities for businesses that support property maintenance, and one of the biggest opportunities today is professional cleaning. Many people think cleaning is a small business with low profits, but that is no longer true. Modern commercial properties require specialized cleaning solutions that go far beyond ordinary sweeping and mopping. Property developers, landlords, facility managers, and businesses now demand professional standards, modern equipment, trained workers, and reliable service providers. This has opened the door for entrepreneurs to build profitable companies by focusing on cleaning niches that solve specific problems. The cleaning industry in Kenya is becoming more professional every year. Businesses are willing to pay good money for services that improve hygiene, create better customer experiences, protect expensive buildings, and maintain healthy working environments. This is especially true after the coronavirus pandemic changed how companies view cleanliness and sanitation. One of the most profitable cleaning niches today is post-construction cleaning. Kenya's construction industry continues to expand as developers build residential apartments, office parks, shopping centers, schools, hospitals, and commercial complexes. Before tenants or buyers can occupy these buildings, they must be cleaned thoroughly. Construction sites usually leave behind dust, paint stains, cement residue, broken materials, and debris. Developers cannot hand over buildings in that condition. They need specialized cleaning companies to transform the space into a clean and attractive environment ready for occupation. Post-construction cleaning is attractive because the contracts can be large and profitable. A small apartment project may pay between 50,000 Kenya shillings and 150,000 Kenya shillings for final cleaning services. Larger commercial projects can pay several 100,000 Kenya shillings, depending on the size of the building and the amount of work involved. Companies that specialize in this niche often invest in industrial vacuum cleaners, pressure washers, floor scrubbers, glass cleaning tools, and safety equipment. Even though startup costs can be higher than ordinary cleaning businesses, the profits are also much higher. Another growing niche is office and commercial building cleaning. Businesses across Kenya increasingly prefer outsourcing cleaning services instead of employing permanent cleaners. Outsourcing allows companies to reduce costs and focus on their main operations, while professionals handle cleaning and maintenance. This trend has created strong demand for companies that offer daily office cleaning, washroom sanitation, trash collection, carpet vacuuming, cafeteria cleaning, and boardroom maintenance. Office cleaning is one of the best niches because it creates recurring monthly income. Instead of looking for new customers every week, a company can sign long-term contracts that provide stable cash flow. Small offices may pay 20,000 Kenya shillings per month, while large commercial buildings can pay hundreds of thousands of Kenya shillings monthly. Companies located in areas such as Westlands, Upper Hill, Kilimani, and Karen usually prioritize professional image and workplace hygiene, making them valuable clients for cleaning businesses. The rise of Airbnb apartments and short-term rentals has also created a major opportunity for cleaning entrepreneurs. Nairobi, Naivasha, Diani, Mombasa, Kisumu, and Nanyuki now have thousands of Airbnb units that require regular cleaning between guest bookings. Airbnb hosts depend heavily on cleanliness because guest reviews determine their success. A single negative review about hygiene can reduce bookings significantly. This has created demand for reliable cleaning teams that can clean apartments quickly and professionally. Services often include laundry, changing beddings, bathroom sanitization, kitchen cleaning, restocking toiletries, and inspecting the property for damages. Many Airbnb hosts are willing to pay premium prices for cleaners who are punctual and trustworthy. Depending on the apartment size and location, a single turnover cleaning job may pay between 2,000 Kenya shillings and 8,000 Kenya shillings. During busy holiday seasons, some cleaning companies handle multiple apartments daily, generating impressive income. Carpet and upholstery cleaning is another highly profitable niche. Many offices, hotels, churches, and homes use carpets and sofas that require deep cleaning regularly. Ordinary cleaning methods cannot remove stains, dust, bacteria, and odors effectively. This is why clients seek specialized service providers with modern machines and expertise. Carpet cleaning businesses usually invest in industrial vacuum cleaners, carpet extractors, steam cleaners, and drying machines. Although the equipment may cost several 100,000 Kenya shillings, The return on investment can be excellent because cleaning contracts are profitable. Large offices and hotels often require regular carpet cleaning to maintain professional standards. A medium-sized commercial carpet cleaning contract may generate between 20,000 Kenya shillings and 100,000 Kenya shillings, depending on the area covered. High-rise window cleaning is another niche with huge potential in Kenya's growing urban centers. Modern office towers and luxury apartments use large glass surfaces that require regular maintenance. Cleaning windows on tall buildings is not easy because it requires specialized skills, safety training, and professional equipment. This creates a barrier that limits competition and allows experienced companies to charge premium prices. Professional high-rise window cleaners use ropes, harnesses, suspended platforms, and safety systems to work on tall buildings. Since the work involves risks, clients prefer companies that follow safety standards and have trained staff. A single high-rise cleaning contract may generate tens or even hundreds of thousands of Kenya shillings, depending on the building size and frequency of cleaning. As Kenya continues constructing more modern skyscrapers, demand for these services is expected to increase further. Industrial and warehouse cleaning is also becoming more important as Kenya's manufacturing and logistics sectors expand. Factories, warehouses, processing plants, and industrial facilities require specialized cleaning because of dust, oil spills, chemicals, and heavy machinery. Industrial cleaning often involves pressure washing, floor scrubbing, hazardous waste handling, and machine area cleaning. This niche can be very profitable because industrial clients usually require long-term service contracts. They also prefer professional companies that understand safety regulations and operational procedures. Areas such as Nairobi Industrial Area, Athi River, Mombasa logistics zones, and emerging industrial parks continue creating opportunities for cleaning businesses that focus on industrial clients. Eco-friendly cleaning is another niche gaining popularity quickly. Many businesses today want environmentally responsible cleaning solutions that reduce chemical exposure and protect indoor air quality. International companies, modern office buildings, schools, and health facilities increasingly prefer service providers who use biodegradable products and sustainable cleaning practices. Green cleaning companies usually market themselves as safer and healthier alternatives to traditional cleaning methods. They use eco-friendly detergents, microfiber cleaning systems, water-saving techniques, and non-toxic disinfectants. Clients are often willing to pay higher prices for environmentally conscious services because sustainability has become an important part of corporate image and responsibility. Another emerging opportunity is hospital and medical facility cleaning. Healthcare environments require extremely high hygiene standards because patients and medical staff are vulnerable to infections. Cleaning hospitals is not the same as cleaning offices because it involves specialized disinfection procedures, proper waste disposal, and strict sanitation protocols. Medical cleaning companies must train workers carefully and follow health guidelines. However, the rewards can be significant because hospitals, clinics, dental practices, and laboratories require consistent professional cleaning services. As Kenya's healthcare sector expands, demand for specialized medical cleaning continues to rise steadily. Starting a professional cleaning business in Kenya does not always require huge capital. Small niches such as Airbnb cleaning and office cleaning can start with less than 100,000 Kenya shillings if the entrepreneur begins modestly. Larger niches such as industrial cleaning and high-rise window cleaning may require several 100,000 Kenya shillings because of equipment and safety requirements. Success in the cleaning industry depends heavily on professionalism and reliability. Many clients complain about cleaners who arrive late, do poor work, damage property, or fail to communicate properly. Entrepreneurs who solve these problems can build strong reputations and attract long-term contracts. Branding is also very important. A professional company name, uniforms, branded vehicles, social media presence, and a clean website can help a business appear more trustworthy. Commercial clients prefer companies that look organized and professional because they associate appearance with service quality. Technology is becoming increasingly important in the cleaning industry. Many successful companies now use digital invoicing systems, online booking platforms, staff attendance tracking, and customer management software. WhatsApp communication, quick quotation systems, and mobile payment options also improve customer experience significantly. Training workers is another critical factor. Cleaning may look simple, but professional results require proper techniques, attention to detail, and knowledge of cleaning chemicals and equipment. Businesses that invest in staff training often provide better service and retain customers longer. Marketing is essential for growth. Many cleaning businesses in Kenya rely heavily on referrals, but digital marketing is becoming more powerful every year. Companies that use social media, Google business listings, search engine optimization, and professional photography can attract high-value clients more easily. Before hiring a cleaning company, many businesses now search online to compare reviews and professionalism. Networking can also help entrepreneurs grow quickly. Building relationships with real estate developers, property managers, Airbnb hosts, architects, interior designers, and construction companies can generate consistent referrals. A single strong partnership can lead to many contracts over time. The future of Kenya's cleaning industry looks very promising. Urbanization continues increasing, commercial real estate development remains active, and businesses are becoming more conscious about hygiene and presentation. These trends create strong long-term demand for specialized cleaning services. Entrepreneurs who focus on profitable niches instead of ordinary general cleaning can build businesses with higher income potential and less competition. Specialization allows companies to charge premium prices because clients value expertise and reliability. Whether someone chooses post-construction cleaning, office cleaning, Airbnb turnover services, carpet cleaning, industrial cleaning, or eco-friendly solutions, there is enormous potential for growth. The cleaning industry is no longer just about mops and buckets. It is becoming a professional service sector driven by technology, specialization, customer experience, and operational efficiency. For ambitious entrepreneurs in Kenya, this industry offers one of the most practical opportunities to build a scalable and sustainable business with strong long-term demand. As Kenya's cities continue growing and new buildings continue rising, professional cleaning services will remain essential. Businesses and property owners will always need clean environments that create positive impressions, protect health, and maintain property value. Entrepreneurs who position themselves early in these profitable niches can benefit greatly from the country's expanding commercial real estate boom. /span/p/body